So we have here 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. Okay? So how do we divide polynomials? So first, we need to divide itong first term, okay, yung leading term, i-divide natin sa leading term ng another polynomial. So we have 2x cubed divided by x. So di ba, we copy 2, then copy x, then subtract the exponent. So we have 2x squared, kasi 3 minus 1. So we have a quotient 2x squared. 2x squared. So di ba po, dinivide natin ito. Dinivide natin ito dito. So lagyan ko ng arrow para clear sa inyo na. So next step natin, itong nakuha natin na quotient na 2x squared, i-multiply natin dito sa x. So parang nag-reverse process tayo na. Di ba? So kung nag-reverse process tayo, ano makukuha natin? So of course, ang makukuha natin ay babalik yun sa 2x cubed. Diba? Kasi 2x cubed divided by x, nakuha natin is 2x squared. Minultiply natin sa x. So babalik talaga yun sa 2x cubed. So next, i-multiply natin yung 2x squared sa negative 2. So of course, magkaiba yung sign nila. So negative ang makukuha natin na product, di ba? Opposite sign, kapag minultiply, negative ang sagot. So we have negative 4, then copy x squared. So yan, parang nag-divide lang tayo ng numbers. So next step natin ay mag-subtract na tayo. Okay? So how do we subtract polynomials? Di ba po, ang ginagawa natin, chine-change natin yung kada term ng subtrahend. Itong subtrahend natin, ito. So i-change natin ito. Di ba from positive magiging negative, ito from negative magiging positive, then proceed to addition. So of course, kapag sinubtract natin yung first terms na 2x cubed, then 2x cubed, they are just the same, di ba? Kaya 0 yon. So ito ay magiging 7x squared, di ba? Then bring down natin yung negative 11x. And next, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin, 7x squared divided by x. So ang makuha natin ay 7x. So copy natin dito yung 7x. Then, ganun uli yung gagawin natin. Mag-multiply tayo. 7x times x. So, we get 7x squared. 7x times negative 2, negative 14x. Okay? Then, subtract ulit tayo. So, ano makukuha natin? So, dapat careful tayo dito. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-change ng sign. Okay? Ano po ang makukuha natin? Makukuha natin ay, so this is 3x, di ba? Kasi negative 11 plus positive 14 equals positive, di ba? Positive 3. 3x. Then copy the variable x. Then bring down natin si 6. Then 3x divided by x. Of course, makakancel na yung x. So we get positive 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. Then subtract ulit tayo. So, mag-change tayo ng sign negative, ito positive, and proceed to addition. And next, makuha natin. So, this is equal to 12. So, meron po tayo ditong remainder. So, ibig sabihin guys, itong polynomial na dinivide natin, 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 divided by x minus 2, the quotient is, ano yung nakuha natin na quotient? 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 plus a remainder plus 12 divided by x minus 2.